Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tina from tinahills.com, and this is a particular video that I have been dying to make for a while, but I kept forgetting. There's just so much action out there and just so much happening in my own life that I could not get to it. But there is and this video is essentially about Rahu in Gemini, okay, and the importance of information. So there is a scientific theory floating around that postulates that information is the fundamental building block of the universe, and it is not mass. Mass, as we thought was the fundamental building blocks, is not, but information, pure data, is what creates the universe. And this is what scientists are positing. And what an interesting time for scientists to posit this particular idea. Because astrologically it is so pertinent, almost ridiculous, that when Gemini, which is all about information, and we have Rahu, which is our collective destiny, going into Gemini, and we have this crazy theory circulating that postulates or posits that information is the fundamental building block of the universe. Okay, now when we think about, scientists are saying that if we take this idea to be correct, then this explains a lot. For instance, the missing mass within galaxies. Okay, scientists have been baffled at all these galaxies floating around and the missing mass. All right, where is all this mass? Now, this mass is dark energy or dark matter, actually. Sorry, not dark energy, but dark matter, as many scientists have explained and put forward their theory that it is all dark matter, something that is imperceptible to our senses, right? So if we understand that not mass as a fundamental building block of the universe, we look at information as the building block of the universe, and we understand what and then we further do not need the idea of dark energy. Okay, because it is information. Now if you erase information, right, even a bit of information, that would release a certain amount of heat. Okay, and a particular scientist has calculated that amount of heat. Okay, he says that information is more than a mathematical quantity. It's more. And this is Rahu in Gemini times. How very interesting, right? And this particular theory, it connects information to energy, which we healers, we astrologers have always known. Information is energy, right? That's why chants work, because it's information which is directly being translated to energy, right? So now what is important is that the scientist, he came up with a new principle of mass energy information equivalence. Okay, they're equal. Mass energy information, the equivalence of this he posited, and he said a bit of information is not just physical. Okay, it's not just physical, it has a finite and quantifiable mass while it stores information. Okay, for instance, when you look at your hard drive, and they made this experiment, they observed this experiment, that they would delete data from hard drives, and they actually experienced that the hard drive was losing mass. So this connects, it sits perfectly with the energy matter equipoise, equivalence, right? Energy matter information equivalence. Okay, it absolutely cements this idea. And what a perfect time for this to come through when Gemini is the sign that Rahu is in. Right now, the proposed mass energy information equivalence principle, right, it's absolutely correct. Data device storage is heavier when information is stored in it. So this is classic Rahu in Gemini, extremely subversive, completely throwing mass, which we knew to be a fundamental block, completely throwing that off the table, information seeping in. That's why everything is information. This is a simulation, and it's all ones and zeros in a computer. I mean, the computer is not some literal computer, but a ginormous cosmic brain, right? So I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think. Thank you.